Hello friends, I'm Karthik, a trader in stock market. So in this video we are going to see types of stock market, that is the different types of stock markets. Okay, so before going on to video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on subscribe button and click on bell button to get notification on my new videos. Also do like and share my videos. So the types of stock market. There are two different types of stock market in India. So first one is primary market and second one is secondary market. Okay, so we are going to see both the markets in depth. Okay, first one is, what is primary market? Primary market is a market where a company raises a capital for the first time. It is known as the primary market. That means the company has never issued the shares to the general public, so they are performing that activity for the first time. So in order to perform that activity for the first time, the company has to enter the primary market. Okay, and once the company enters into primary market, how that activity is performed by the company? So the company issues IPO. IPO means initial public offerings. That means the new shares are issued in the primary market by the company. Okay, this market offers an opportunity for investors to buy the securities directly from the issuing company. Okay, example, if an investor wants to buy the company shares directly from the company, means he has to enter into primary market only. Okay, there is no other option. Okay, and by buying securities or stocks from the primary market, the investor is helping the company to raise a capital. That is, the motto of the company is fulfilled. Okay, this is overall view about primary market. So next is secondary market. Okay, secondary market, the IPO that the company issued in the primary market get listed in the secondary market. Okay, so that means primary market and secondary market both are interlinked. Okay, so why this IPO is been getting listed in the secondary market means, once the investor wants to sell the shares, whatever he bought in the primary market as an IPO, means that must be listed in the secondary market. That means it must be listed under BSE or NSE. Only then he will be able to sell it and some other person will be able to buy it. So it should be listed under secondary market. Okay, and BSE, NSE and other exchanges come under secondary market. That means BSE, NSE and there are other stock exchanges in India which comes under secondary market, and where this buying and selling of shares happen. Okay, third one, secondary markets allow retail investors to invest in the securities and earn a profit. That means, example, another one investor is entering into the secondary market. He thinks that this company share is going to this company share price is going to decrease. What he will do? He will invest certain amount. Okay, so once he invests that amount, he will wait for some period. That means 1 month or 2 months. Okay, so after 2 months, once the share price goes up, so he will sell his shares and he will earn the profit. Okay, that means this buying and selling will happen in secondary market. Okay, the investors in the stock market trade between themselves and there is no minimum or no interference of the issuing company. That means the investors in the stock market trade between themselves. That means one retail trader will buy and another retail trader will sell. Okay, so both the person buying and selling process will happen in secondary market itself. So there is no interference of the issuing company. That means the issuing company cannot limit this much only you should buy, this much only you should sell, like that. The issuing company doesn't have any rights in the secondary market. Okay, so it all depends on the retail investor, how much quantity at what price they want to buy, they will buy and sell, and the process goes on. So this is called secondary market. Okay, that's all friends. Thank you. Bye.